Okay, ever at some point, like all urbexers do a outside walk around. I'm over here off Melrose, so yeah, I'm not too big about doing these just because, I mean, there's really nothing good about doing them. This one will be pretty brief because, like I said, I'm outside. Here's an inside view of the place. Really not much to see in here. Place used to be a church. Spirit of Liberty Worship Center. I don't know. I don't ever show my face in these because I'm like worried about legal repercussions. Like, not like your normal guys that just get on here, show your face, have a big personality. I don't know how long this place has been abandoned, but it was close, so I figured I'd make a video because I'm like about my hands down, so. Plus, this place has some pretty cool looking furnaces on the outside. Like, I think these furnaces were probably on the inside of the building at once, and I'll get around to that in a minute. I'm gonna get the other two abandoned buildings also. You can tell this place is in a bad neighborhood just because, like, look at the old bars. They're like done in rebar. I mean, you can tell this is old. Another old garage boarded up. Alright, here's an extra. Here's an old car. I was thinking it looked like a Cadillac at first, but then I'm normally good with old cars, but I was thinking it was a Ford too. At this point, I'm pretty much sure it's a Ford because the tail lights look like a Ford. My wife said, I was thinking it was a Caddy, like when I seen it in the dark. But my wife thinks it's an old Ford Galaxy. I do not know. Yeah, I was right. It was a Caddy. I was right the first time. These tail lights sure look like Ford though. Alright, Urbexers, thanks as always for exploring with me.